It's time for devotional comics. Call your friends, call your friends. It's time to learn some Bible stories. Call your friends to love the Lord and grow in His word, to be a friend of God. It's time for devotional comics. Call your friends, call your friends.
It's Bible story time. Our Bible story is taken from the book of Mark chapter 5 verses 21 to 43. Welcome to Devotional Comics for Children. Today, we'll discover an incredible Bible story where Jesus performed multiple miracles, bringing Jairus' daughter back to life and healing a woman with the issue of blood who had great faith. Stay with us as we discover the power of faith and the love of Jesus in action. Jesus landed on the shore of Capernaum. He was greeted by a large crowd. People pressed around him, bringing the sick and those seeking miracles. A man pushed through the crowd urgently, looking desperate. Oh! He was Jairus, a respected synagogue leader. He fell at Jesus' feet and pleaded, "My little daughter is dying. Come and lay your hands on her so she may live." His voice breaks, tears streaming down his face. Jesus agreed to follow Jairus to his home. The crowd rushed forward, eager to see what will happen. Suddenly, a woman who had suffered from a bleeding disorder for 12 years struggled through the crowd. She had suffered a great deal under the care of many doctors and had spent all she had, yet, instead of getting better, she grew worse. She whispered to herself, "If I just touch his garment, I will be healed." The woman stretched out her trembling hand and touched Jesus' clothes. Immediately her bleeding stopped, and she felt in her body that she was freed from her suffering. At once, Jesus realized that power had gone out from him. He turned around in the crowd and asked, "Who touched my clothes?" The woman fell down before Jesus, trembling. She confessed her action and told him the whole truth. Jesus smiled and said, "Daughter, your faith has healed you. Go in peace." While Jesus was still speaking, some people came from the house of Jairus, the synagogue leader. "Your daughter is dead," they said. "Why bother the teacher anymore?" Jairus' face fell, hopelessness flooded his eyes. Jesus turned to Jairus and said, "Don't be afraid, just believe." The faith-lifting moment came when the crowd grew silent, wondering if Jairus will hold on to hope. Jesus did not let anyone follow him except Peter, James, and John. Jairus' home was filled with professional mourners crying and playing flutes. Jesus said, "Why all this commotion and wailing? The child is not dead but asleep." The mourners laughed at him in disbelief. After he put them all out, he took the child's father and mother and the disciples who were with him, and went into where the child was. He took her by the hand and spoke with authority, "Talitha koum," which means, "Little girl, I say to you, get up." Immediately, the girl's eyes fluttered open. She sat up and looked around. She was 12 years old. Jairus and his wife gasped in astonishment, tears of joy streaming down their faces. The disciples stood in admiration. Jairus and his wife embraced their daughter. Jesus smiled and said, "Give her something to eat." He instructed them, "Don't tell anyone what has happened." The family nodded, still overwhelmed by the miracle. Outside the house, the crowd wondered what had occurred. Whispers and questions flowed through the onlookers. Jairus' family praised God for the gift of life. They recounted how Jesus brought hope in their darkest hour. The woman healed of her bleeding disorder shared her testimony in the town. She highlighted the power of faith, connecting her miracle to Jairus. The story of Jairus' daughter spread round the city, inspiring others to believe in Jesus' power over life and death. With faith in God, all things are possible. Thanks for watching. If you loved this story about Jesus' amazing healings, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Devotional Comics for Children's channel. Join us as we bring more faith-filled stories to life. Together, let's share God's love with the world. Till we bring another inspiring and faith-lifting Bible story, remain blessed. Bye.
It's time for devotional comics. Call your friends, call your friends. It's time to learn some Bible stories. Call your friends, call your friends. To love the Lord and grow in His word. To be a friend of God. It's time for devotional comics. Call your friends, call your friends.